Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to become a GoHighLevel affiliate. First, open your web browser and go to GoHighLevel.com. Once on the homepage, scroll down until you become an affiliate link. Click on it. You will be directed to the affiliate sign-up page. Here, you need to create a GoHighLevel affiliate account. Begin by entering your email address in the provided field. Next, enter your first name and company name. If you don't have a company, you can enter your brand or leave the field blank if it is optional. Create a secure password for your account. Make sure it is strong and unique to your account. After filling in all the required information, review the terms and conditions and any other relevant information provided on the page. Once you have reviewed everything, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and follow any additional instructions to verify your account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.